How to remove Microsoft account from Windows 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Start menu and then click on your Microsoft account profile and then click on Change Account Settings. In here, click on Sign in with a local account instead. Skip this step or close and back up, then click on Next. After that, simply add your Microsoft account password, which is current Microsoft account password. Press on OK and then Next. After you've pressed on Next, you will be logged out of this device and you will be signed in with a local account of Microsoft. This is how to remove Microsoft account from Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.